Buenos días a todos. Muchas gracias por estar con nosotros en este segundo día de la FEVIE y les damos la bienvenida a esta feria virtual de la industria eficiente. Como saben, y los que han estado desde ayer, esta feria, este concepto surgió el año pasado con todo el tema de la pandemia y la idea era poder seguir estando cerca de ustedes y presentándoles nuestras tecnologías. Ya el día de ayer tuvimos un exitoso primer día con la presentación de máquinas de inspección y la parte de tableteado y por la tarde otro evento de biodescontaminación. Por lo que hoy seguimos con este evento y en un momento más vamos a dar la entrada a nuestro invitado. Pero antes les quiero dar algunos generales del evento. Les pedimos que todos tengan su micrófono apagado, la cámara la pueden tener prendida, si nos gustaría poder estar más cerca de ustedes si lo desean. Vamos a tener traducción simultánea. En el Zoom, en la parte de abajo dice interpretación, ahí pueden poner inglés o español. Bueno, ponen en español y van a empezar a oír la traducción que va a ser simultánea. También les recordamos, este evento se está grabando, va a estar disponible por un periodo de tiempo en YouTube, en nuestros canales. Y por último, les recordamos que al final va a haber una pequeña encuesta con algunas preguntas que, por favor, antes de salirse, si nos las contestan, nos ayudaría mucho a mejorar este evento. Bueno, sin más de mi parte, quiero dar la bienvenida a Aide Rodríguez, que es la persona responsable de la división de TecniRush. Y pues Aide, te doy la palabra para presentar a nuestro invitado. Aide, traes el mute.
Ay, disculpen. Hola, buenos días. Muchas gracias, ingeniero. Comenzamos nuestro día con el webinar de lavadoras ultrasónicas. El tema a cargo de Artur y Akubiak. Artur, gracias. Si tienen alguna duda, pueden levantar la mano o esperar a la sección de preguntas y respuestas. Con mucho gusto los estaremos atendiendo. Artur, please.
Okay, thank you very much. Good morning, everybody. I'm really excited to talk today about the ultrasonic cleaning, which is the part of our cycle. We call this GTMP, Good Tooling Maintaining Practice. So just to start about that, I would like to give you some overview or some better perspective why we should use this technique also for the compression tooling. You should understand and you should remember that the compression tooling is one of the most important and the most precious factors in tablet compression process, because all the compression tooling is responsible for the tablet's quality and quantity. So it means weight, shape, and appearance of the tablet. So why we should care about the compression tooling? Because we would like to get the maximum lifetime. We would like to minimize the risk of the potential problems we just facing in the tableting, like picking, sticking, and so on, capping, tablet weight variation. So this is all the popular problems we can prevent by just caring about our compression tooling. Then, of course, we would like to prevent tablet press damages, which can be made by faulty tooling, and of course, to prevent the tablets contamination. So, to ensure the good quality of the tablet compression process, we have to control a couple of the things, and three of them are very important. We need to control tooling geometrical parameters, tooling damages, and quality of the tooling surfaces. Then, of course, in all steps of the tooling maintaining cycle, we should, first of all, automatize what is possible to avoid the manual operation, if possible, and keep recording to control the tooling qualification process. Of course, why we should avoid the manual operation, why we shouldn't use, let's say, the manual cleaning, for example, because compression tooling handling is the most common source of the tooling damages. So now you see the whole cycle of the tool maintaining program. So cleaning is the first of this process. Then we have inspection of the tooling, repairing, polishing, recleaning, measuring, which is very important, protecting the tooling, and the storage. Today, we would like to just focus on the cleaning process. From the cleaning processes, ultrasonic cleaning is a very convenient process. The ultrasonic cleaning is use high frequency and high intensity sound waves in the liquid to facilitate or enhance the removal of foreign contaminants from the surfaces which is submerged in the ultrasonic activated liquid. So this is a very convenient method of cleaning. The ultrasonic cleaning is a technology very unique in its ability to remove contaminants that other technologies cannot remove, and in this ability to effectively clean areas that are not accessible using other technologies. So I said other technologies, but what is the other technologies? We have the competing technologies, which include spray washing, turbulation, agitation, or brushing. There must be direct access to the contaminated surfaces. So if you have some surfaces which are not very easy accessible by any other methods, so you cannot make the cleaning effective. In all of these cases, the physical energy is delivered indirectly. So, in fact, only ultrasonic technologies deliver energy directly to the dirty spots, let's say. What is basically the ultrasonic cleaning? This is the conversion. The conversion to ultrasonic energy is facilitated by the transducer, which is the key component of the ultrasonic cleaners. Electrical energy is converted by the transducers in the very high frequency sound waves, which we call ultrasonic energy. The efficiency of this transducer determines both the time taken to clean and how thoroughly a surface is cleaned. Other variables that affect the efficiency of ultrasonic cleaning include power, heat, capacity, detergent, and length of the cleaning cycle. So about all these variables we will be discussing during this presentation. So what you see on this slide is a cavitation mechanism, and this mechanism is the... Sorry?
¿Por qué?
Continue, Arturo.
Okay. Ultrasonic energy causes the rapid formation and collapse of very small bubbles in the liquid. It is known as this mechanism is known as a cavitation. A huge burst of energy creates bubbles that quickly increase in size until they burst against the surface of the item. So you have a jet of the liquid which is directed to the dirt. This is a very general view of the ultrasonic cleaner. So you have here, you see here the cavitation bubbles, which we talked a while ago about this cavitation mechanism. This is a still body, of course. This is a tank with the liquid level. We have a transducers which transfer the electrical energy to this ultrasonic energy. We have a contact surface, And we have a drainer, of course, if we would like to drain the liquid after the cleaning, just to clean the machine. What is the importance of the temperature? Well, heat is very important in ultrasonic cleaning because it helps a lot in removing contaminants, thus making the cleaner faster and more effective. Many cleaning solutions clean best when the temperature is high. So generally, the ultrasonic cleaners has a thermostat with when we can regulate the temperature during the process. In general, the temperatures used in the ultrasonic cleaners, it is between 50 to 65 Celsius. And we need this temperature to properly clean items. Of course, because I said that we are using some detergents, so these temperatures, this range of temperatures 50 to 65 is for the cleaning liquid with the detergent. If we are using plain water, no detergents, so we need to increase temperature a little bit. So normally 71 Celsius is optimum for the clean water if we are not using any detergent. When we can use the ultrasonic cleaners, of course, we know that we can use these ultrasonic cleaners for the cleaning of the tooling, compression tooling, but not only, of course, depending on the size of the ultrasonic cleaners you have, you can clean whatever you want. I mean, cams, other parts from the tablet press, other parts from any machine you are using in your company. But generally, this is a different industry sectors when you can use these ultrasonic cleaners. So, for example, cleaning before powder painting, galvanizing. Generally, this is a degreasing process. Then you can make a cleaning, degreasing after hardening, cleaning after pressing, cleaning of the parts from the serial production after machining. So not only the tooling, but also the product. And of course, it can be used for the cleaning of the transport containers. Then we can use for some regeneration. So cleaning of the engine components, for example, automotive components can be very easily, very effectively cleaned by ultrasonic cleaners. Cleaning of the gearbox components, cleaning of the turbine components, cleaning of injection pump components, injection elements, even rims and wheels with a tire. So you see that this is a lot of different application, laboratories, hospital, dentistry, prosthetics, like cleaning of the medical and laboratory tooling, cuvettes, pipettes, bioanalyzer, the gauging of the liquids, cleaning of the dentures, cleaning of the dental instruments, cleaning of the surgical instruments, endoscopes, gastroscopes, etc. And of course, last but not least, jewelry, watch matching, numismatics, removing polishing paste, casting remains from the products, cleaning soiled products, regeneration of components. So all these things can be cleaned by the ultrasonic cleaners. Of course, we as Adamus, we are delivering all the components or the machines which you can use in all the cycle which I showed in the beginning. So all the cycles for the good maintaining practice for the tooling. Regarding the ultrasonic cleaners, we can deliver 12 different models. So wide capacity range from 3 to 90 liters of the tank. We can provide ultrasonic power from 80 to 600 watts, heating power from 140 to 1950 watts. Of course, we are delivering dedicated punch holders, and the dye baskets, because the dyes are usually clean on the special baskets which you put just to the tank of the ultrasonic cleaners. So you see here that we have touch control of each ultrasonic cleaner and so on. Of course, if you may need even bigger ultrasonic cleaners, we can also provide something which is dedicated or customized for your needs. So generally, the tanks are made of the stainless steel, which of course guarantees resistance to corrosion and mechanical damage. We have the heating range from 20 to 80 Celsius. As you saw before, this is absolutely enough for the cleaning. We have a thermostatic control, which I already mentioned. We have a LED display for the set and current temperature. And of course, optical signal in case of the temperature will excess of the set value. So then, of course, we have a clock for counting the working time or continuous work. We have a continuous oscillation of the swept-tech ultrasonic wave. We have a degas function for the just removing, it is setting of pulsating sound for removing unwanted air bubbles, which is displayed on the LCD panel, because generally we need to remove before the cleaning all the gases which is just soluble in the water, just to make this cleaning process more effective. So we need only these air bubbles which we are creating with the ultrasound with the transducer. Then, of course, stainless steel housing. We have a special lid which is protected against splashing, and of course, we have the highest possible safety class, IP33, for all our equipment for the ultrasonic cleaners. Just one sentence more about degas function. Removes air, including carbon dioxide from the liquids, which causes the formation of more cavitation bubbles. So, as I said, we need to remove all these unwanted gases just to increase the formation of cavitation bubbles, which we need for the cleaning. Then this degas function, as you see, increase cleaning efficiency by over 30%. So this is a really good gain when we are degas the cleaning solution. I mentioned also the sweep-tech function. So what is this function made? This ensures that ultrasound which generates work at different frequencies, and we get in even distribution of the ultrasonic waves, and thus we have a faster removal of the dirt from the surface of the cleaned elements. So this is also function which increase the efficiency of the cleaning. I mentioned that we can use the let's say pure water, but of course we can increase and improve the cavitation, material protecting, and shorts the cleaning time significantly if we will use the cleaning agents. So we have some cleaning agents. Of course, we are delivering some kind of cleaning agent, but of course you can buy this cleaning agent I believe in any market. So generally, what we recommend, this is Ticopur R33. This is a universal cleaner for the ultrasonic bath. This is concentrate mildly alkaline with the corrosion protection. For cleaning and degreasing of the machines and their components, tools, equipment, and parts in industry, handicraft, and laboratories. For cleaning of heavily soiled respirators like face masks and protective work equipment, this is excellent universal cleaner. What we are using as dosage is we are using the solution 3 to 5%. In demi water is the best. We have a sonication time 1 to 10 minutes. So this is the time needed for the formation, effective formation of the bubbles. And temperature, as I mentioned, 20 to 80 Celsius. You remember I said that 55 to 60 Celsius with the cleaning agent is the best range of the temperatures. Okay, so what we have as a benefits of ultrasonic cleaning? Ultrasonic cleaning, of course, saves us time and money. Why? Because we can clean up to 20 parts or even more, depends of course on the volume of the tank. So up to 20 parts can be cleaned at one time. The technology is absolutely simple to use and only requires one operator, which can just put the tooling to the tank, and of course before making the right solution for the cleaning, and then just push few buttons and everything is doing by itself. So life of the parts is extended because the ultrasonic cleaning is a just gentle cleaning. So you have no contact with any brush or anything. We cannot make a damage by this cleaning. So highly effective cleaning means that all contaminants are removed in the first round. So we need to clean only once. So when we put the tooling to this tank and start the process, after one round of the process, we have the cleaned tooling. Well, this is basically all what in a very short time I would like to say about the ultrasonic cleaning. I need to make one remark more, which I not give in the presentation. You need to remember, not only this is for the ultrasonic cleaning, but any cleaning when you make a wet cleaning, let's say, all the tooling needs to be dried just after when you remove them from the ultrasonic cleaner, because if you don't dry them in any methods, for example, you can use the compressed air to just to dry the tooling. But if you forgotten that, you can face the real problem with the rusting. Of course, we are using cleaning agent, which is also, or detergent, which is also rust protection or corrosion protective. But generally, if you have a compression tooling, you should remember that the standard steel, this is not stainless steel. So because it have something like 5% of the chromium in the steel, it is very easily rusted. Just today, we got some information from one of our customers in Germany that, they sent us the photos of the tooling when they leave it in the by night in the ultrasonic cleaner. So the tooling was absolutely rusty, and it was seen very easily that the way of the liquid which goes whipped from the tooling. So, and after one night, the tooling are absolutely not we cannot repair this tooling because the corrosion was so deep. So you need to remember that. Always dry the tooling very carefully just after the cleaning process, whatever you have. Okay, so it was the short presentation about the technology and the ultrasonic cleaners. So if you have any question, please, I would like to answer them.
Gracias, Artur. Thank you very much, Artur. I don't know if there are questions. Hold on. Okay. I don't know if there's any question, alguna pregunta de nuestros invitados. Por ahí veo algunos que nos tengan alguna pregunta. Yo tengo una pregunta, Artur. Well, you hear me, Artur? Yes.
Yes, I'm hearing.
Okay. ¿Es recomendable que los clientes tengan su lavadora en sitio o a través de servicio?
Could you repeat the question?
¿Es conveniente que los clientes tengan su lavadora en su laboratorio o de preferencia al inicio es mejor tener, contratar el servicio vía, por ejemplo, nosotros que lo ofrecemos?
Well, of course it depends, because you know this machine is not very expensive, and well, the payback time for such a machine is very fast, let's say. So well, generally, if I would be the customer, I would like to have this machine because, as I said, the cost is low. The effectiveness is a very good. So you can clean the tooling just after you take off the tooling from the tablet press. So it would be I think more effectively if you have the machine by yourself. But of course depends what you would like to do. Because generally, I know that this kind of the service is working in Mexico or in Brazil or whatever. In Europe, generally, the companies has not such a habit, let's say, to make a service for the cleaning. So they are buying the ultrasonic cleaners by themselves and using them.
Gracias, Artur.
Tenemos una pregunta por parte de Luz, la voy a leer. If a tool is already porous, is it possible that it will generate a little rust on its surface after ultrasonic washer?
No, generally, of course, as I said, the porosity of the tools are not very important. Of course, the porosity of the tooling will cause that the dirt will be a little bit more connected with the tooling. But for the ultrasonic cleaning, this is absolutely no problem. And if you are using again detergent, dedicated detergent with the corrosion protection, and you will dry the tooling just after the cleaning, you will have no problem with the rust.
Okay, thank you. ¿Alguna otra pregunta?
bueno, también les recordarles que como va a haber más adelante una plática de laboratorio de nosotros, donde se podrá ver esta lavadora operando, y bueno, pues ahí podrán ver un poquito ya más en físico la lavadora, ¿no, Aide?
Sí, el día de mañana tendremos nuestro webinar de TecniRush. Es el mantenimiento a punzones, justamente los herramientales que comentaba Arthur. Vamos a ver cómo alargar su vida y veremos las lavadoras ultrasónicas, cómo nos ayudan a la limpieza de estos. También los invitamos para que nos acompañen.
Ok. Y por último, bueno, igualmente si por alguna razón tienen interés en conocer el laboratorio, visitarnos, hacer alguna auditoría, está abierta la puerta para que puedan visitarnos y poder recibirlos ahí en la planta en México. Y para la gente que no está en México, este servicio se hace en la unidad móvil. Es un concepto desarrollado por nosotros, en el cual en una unidad móvil que llega a sus instalaciones se hace el servicio en sitio. Entonces también está disponible para las personas o las empresas que no están en la Ciudad de México. Bueno, si no hay más preguntas, agradecerles que nos acompañaron a las personas que estuvieron. Pues la idea es seguirles compartiendo las tecnologías, así en un breve tiempo, y pues que ustedes tengan mayor información. Están poniendo la encuesta en este momento en la pantalla. Si nos ayudan a los que estuvieron, por favor, para que nos ayude a mejorar los eventos. Si por favor nos ayudan a contestarla, y de nuevo agradecerles y esperarlos en los que siguen. Tenemos todavía el día de hoy 3 muy buenos webinars muy interesantes. Sigue el de Enercon, y después tenemos un tour y una visita a la planta de Rush en México, de todo lo que es la pailería y lo metalmecánico. Y por la tarde tenemos una muy buena experiencia con la gente de Trucking. Estarán conectados desde China algunas personas, y la verdad es que vale mucho la pena. Si por ahí tienen tiempo y nos gustan acompañarnos, ahí estaremos, ¿no? Entonces, les recordamos, seguimos hoy, mañana y el viernes en la mañana con algunos de los eventos. Les agradecemos mucho y estamos a la orden.
Muchas gracias a todos por acompañarnos y los esperamos en los siguientes webinars. Muchas gracias, Arthur. Thank you.
Gracias, Arthur.